Hello everyone, my name is Chris, and today I will be explaining what is a blockchain in Bytesize. Blockchain can be simplified as the alternative to centralized banking, which allow the user to transfer to any wallet with the internet connection and without the interference of any government, middleman, or agency. Swift, MasterCard, and Visa is the prime example of centralized banking that can be traced and stopped by government and agencies. Transfer fiat requires proof of income, credit history, or government ID for any transfer between banks with a fee. Blockchain is the public ledger that allows you to see where the money is going out on the internet and without censorship. This video is for educational purpose only. I wish that you do your own research, and crypto investment are highly speculative, and this is not a financial advice.